back there, YouTube. How y'all doing? So today I have a couple of upgrades I want to be doing to my computer. This video is kind of long, so I'm gonna keep the intro and the talking very short. I'm just gonna give y'all kind of the bullet points of what happened and where I went with the build. So at the beginning of the year, I built this computer initially just to get it off the ground. I kind of did the mid-range thing. I did a used 580 for $100. I had the Ryzen 5 2600 in it. So it wasn't horrible, it wasn't bad. It's just that AMD came out with some new technology and I wanted to kind of upgrade my system, so that's what I did. I had to swap my motherboard out, so I wasn't able to update both my main and my backup BIOS. So what ended up happening is that I just updated my main BIOS, and then when I went into overclocking and trying to tweak some settings and stuff, it ended up bricking the main BIOS. I kind of shut down for a little while, went back to work. I ordered a new motherboard, a new power supply, a new RAM, because I really didn't know what the problem was. Come to find out, it was just that I needed to update my BIOS again and then start over. So hindsight is 2020, right? But anyway, so I upgraded to a better motherboard. It's the Gaming 7 motherboard from Gigabyte. It has a BIOS switch, so I can switch which BIOS I want to use. And it also automatically swapping to the backup, or you can just set it to this is the one I want to use, or this is the one I want to use. So right now that's what I'm running. So I'm going to choose which BIOS that I use with the switches. And right now I'm running off my main BIOS, and my backup is also updated to the new BIOS that I need to run the 3900X. So I went with the AMD 3900X, the 5700 XT, the G-Skill Trident Neo, the 3200. I dropped down from 3600 just to get better latency. So it works a little bit better, as a matter of fact. And also I went with an 850 power supply. So basically I just rebuilt my whole computer for a couple of upgrades that I wanted to do to it, which is my fault. I didn't know what I was doing whenever I reflashed my BIOS, and I didn't know how to get to my backup BIOS to update it. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep it short. I tried to stretch my skills out a little bit and try to test and see what I can do. So there's a couple things in there that's kind of fun for me. It took a long time, but it's pretty fun. But if y'all have any comments or questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will be putting out more content like this, more cinematic type stuff if that's what y'all like. Just let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, we'll get straight into it.
This is a homage beat.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.